Wake up! Look at the snow outside. The morning is very beautiful and white. Everything is so pretty today. It is very cold in the winter. I need my warm mittens now. Woo! Woo! My hands feel very warm. I am ready for the snow. Woo! Whew. These boots are very strong. Let's go into the winter world. The air feels so fresh and cold. I am leaving tracks in the snow. I will help shovel the path. The snow is very heavy today. The sun is shining in the blue sky. I am making a round ball. Ball. Catch me if you can. I am moving very quick. Do you want to ride on the sled? Do not be scared of the hill. Oh, do not worry, it is safe. This is so much fun! Hi! Let's go down the hill again. The hill is very steep. Are having fun. I am rolling a big, big ball. This is the snowman's body. Ooh, ooh. Now he needs a head. Oh, he needs a carrot for a nose. He looks very funny now. He is a handsome snowman. He can wave at the neighbors. The snowman is perfect. Look at that red bird. I will shake the snow. The ground is very slippery. The puddle is frozen hard. I am a snow angel. Look at our angel shapes. The yard looks beautiful. I can feel a snowflake. The sky is white now. I can taste the winter snow. I love the winter season. I love the winter season. Oh, let's go inside the house. The boots are very messy. Whew. The house is so warm. I feel much better now. Who wants sweet hot cocoa? The water will boil fast. Ooh. Ooh. I found the chocolate powder. The sun is gone now. This blanket is very cozy. Be careful, it is hot. Do you want a sweet treat? The marshmallow will melt. The fireplace is very bright. Is your head dry now? Enjoy your warm drink. Does it taste like magic? Winter is better than summer. This is a great snack. The world is very quiet. It was a long day. The moon is so bright. Oh, Max Varsnershond. We are a happy family. Good night to everyone. See you in the morning. The world is so still. Winter is the best time.